What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on auto dubbing on YouTube. So very quickly, what we want to do here is go to your main icon right here on the upper right corner of the screen. Go down and click on YouTube Studio. From here, what you're going to want to do is click on the settings icon or settings button right here. This will be your main settings interface. And what we want to do here is go to upload defaults and then click on advanced settings. If you scroll down, you'll find there allow automatic dubbing. Now, if it's toggled off, just simply toggle it on. If you want to manually review the dubs before you publish it, then definitely check on toggle. So as you can see here, if you click on manually, you can review the dubs in all languages or just review dubs in experimental languages only. So depends on you. But yeah, for automatic dubbing, you just simply go to your, again, YouTube Studio, then to settings, click on upload defaults, advanced settings, and then scroll down to find automatic dubbing. From there, if it hasn't been saved yet, click on save and you're good to go. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.